Welcome to the evening update of our major snowstorm of 2018. This is going to be impressive, guys. You can see already the storm is forming. We have a low pressure center. It's going to redevelop right off the coast. This is a very impressive upper level water vapor imagery. You can see bands of precipitation are starting to work their way through the air into the area. This will be a mix of rain and snow to the northwest tonight, so a few quick inches can accumulate later tonight for northwestern Jersey. But tomorrow is where the real fun and games begin, and I say that sarcastically because this is going to be a very impactful storm, and I'm expecting significant accumulations. This is the map I have out, 8 to 12 inches. Guys, 10 to 16 is going to be fairly widespread for a lot of areas in this zone, and there's going to be localized amounts, I think, at 20 plus inches in this dark blue zone. New York City, you're on the edge here, but I think New York City does get in the 8 to 12. So 8 to 12 is my call for New York. Long Island, I'm not as confident. I have 4 to 8. Maybe you can do better, but I think some warm air works its way in. Philadelphia, that's going to be a close call between 4 to 8, maybe over 8 inches. Baltimore, Washington, I still think 2 to 3 is a good call. Boston's in a tough spot. Interior New England's going to get blasted. So let's dive into what's going to happen. The updated play-by-play. This is a high-resolution model. I think it makes sense. This is to late tonight. By the time we get to 1 a.m. in the morning, you could see snow starts to break out, and this will start to accumulate in these areas up here, but it will not accumulate to the east until closer to daybreak, okay? But the real storm is down here. Watch this thing redevelop or explode off the coast. By the time we get to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, heavy snow starts to break out, and by the time we get to 10 a.m., it's snowing heavy in all areas except for South Jersey. This will eventually change over to snow, but you're going to see rain if you're around Princeton South initially, and again, Philly's right on that edge. By the time we get into the early afternoon, I mean, this thing is just completely exploding. These little purple areas are enhanced snowfall rates up to 3 to 4 inches an hour. We'll have to see if that verifies, but the snow is going to pile up enormously quick in all of these regions, from Harrisburg up to northwestern Jersey, even over to Essex County, New Jersey. This is going to be definitely the time to hunker down. By the time we get to later in the afternoon, it is still snowing. This is a long duration event. You can see our low now is bombing out 986 just off New Jersey coast. Wraparound precipitation. Okay, by the time we get to 7 o'clock at night, it's still snowing, and I expect this is going to be the case. So think about it. It's going to snow from early in the morning all day into the night. So this is about an 18-hour event, and this area is just going to get blasted with heavy snowfall rates. Finally, things pull out by early Thursday morning, but it's still snowing hard up in New England. When it's all said and done, okay, this particular model is pretty aggressive with its snowfall printout, so you're going to see it right here. I think you have to moderate it a little bit, but again, widespread 10 to 16 inches I think is very common with this storm. Localized amounts of 20 plus, and over to eastern New Jersey in the north, and down here I think again 8 to 12 and even 4 to 8 is more realistic for those regions. So there will be live coverage tomorrow. It's going to be a snow day, and hunker down, guys. This is going to be something that's impressive.